Cloud-native and hybrid ITSM solutions. Cloud-native ITSM solutions are built for cloud environments. They use the latest cloud-native tech to deliver agile, scalable IT services. These solutions are designed for a cloud-native architecture. They use cloud services and platforms to improve IT operations and service delivery. Cloud-native technology lets organizations manage their IT infrastructure better. It offers more flexibility, speed, and cost savings. Cloud-native technology in IT service management. Cloud-native tech has changed IT service management. It helps firms modernize their IT and adapt to a fast-paced digital world. Cloud-native ITSM solutions let businesses automate IT processes. They improve service delivery and user experience. Organizations can use cloud-native technology to accelerate their digital transformation. It will help them outpace the competition. IT automation and governance in the cloud. IT automation is vital in cloud-native and hybrid ITSM solutions. It helps organizations streamline IT processes, reduce manual work, and improve efficiency. Automation of routine tasks can free up IT resources. They can then focus on more strategic initiatives. Also, proper IT governance ensures compliance with industry regulations. It mitigates risks and secures IT operations. Choosing the right ITSM solution provider. Choosing the right ITSM provider is crucial. It ensures your organization can manage IT services and improve efficiency. Look for providers with robust features tailored to your needs. These include automation, reporting tools, and user-friendly interfaces. Also, consider the provider's reputation and support. Their ability to scale with your business is important too. These factors can greatly affect your ITSM implementation's success. Conclusion. In conclusion, cloud-native and hybrid ITSM solutions are vital for modern businesses. They must streamline IT, drive digital change, and compete in today's digital economy.